How to see your FPL captain. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial we'll be discussing about seeing your Fantasy Premier League FPL captain. So for that you need to go ahead and launch the FPL application or the PL application on your mobile device. Make sure that it is updated to its latest version. And also make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you're inside the app, go ahead and tap on the fantasy at the bottom, that is between latest and matches. Now tap on pick team option. You will see your team members. The captain is marked with a C on their left. In my case, Thiago is the captain. So in order to substitute the captain with the vice captain, select the vice captain option, which in my case is Raya. Then simply check the box of captain. And you can see that Raya is now assigned as captain and Thiago is now assigned as vice captain. Now tap on confirm in the top right corner of the screen to save the changes and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and see your FPL captain or simply substitute them with the vice captain. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again in the next one.